holidays are a time for celebration and enjoying the company of loved ones, but one cannot deny the significance of comfort food during the holidays. Now introducing my raw vegan holiday recipe ebook, Rawsome Vegan Holidays. The recipes help bridge that gap between wanting to eat a raw vegan diet and wanting to eat delicious holiday food. Rawsome Vegan Holiday recipes consist of 35 different dishes for Christmas, Thanksgiving, Hanukkah, Independence Day, Memorial Day, birthday parties, Easter, Halloween, New Year's, St. Patrick's Day, and Valentine's Day. These low-fat raw vegan holiday recipes are original creations that feature pictures on almost every single recipe. A lot of raw vegan recipes focus heavily on nuts and oils that can weigh one down. This ebook focuses on the fresh aspect of raw veganism by making the focus of the recipes raw fruits and vegetables. This ebook features an interactive table of contents so you can easily find the recipe you're looking for so you can get started on that beautiful holiday recipe. This ebook is available for purchase on my website through an easy PayPal checkout. There will be a link to my ebook down in the description box. So thank you guys so much for watching this video, and I hope you get a chance to check out my ebook. And I'll see you around. Bye guys.